So hello everyone. Today is 2020 January 28th. We're coming to the end of the January, and this is Jack. And we just celebrate the Chinese New Year, and this year is the year of the mouth. Okay, and yesterday was quite bad news that Kobe Bryant has passed away with his daughter, and I'm his big fans, and this really hurts me. Uh, and I really wish all of you guys a happy new year and wish you health, happiness, and fortune. Right. So this is coming to first. Right. So today we are going to cover the international markets, and let's start from the dollar index DXY. Okay, the dollar index has been strong for the past 1 month. Okay, the whole January, the dollar index was keep moving up. So what we have to identify is this structure, the 97.84 structure, okay, has been broken, right? Has been broken. So this tells us that the dollar index is going to the north, okay? We can see that because this is a previous resistance, okay, it acting at a resistance for three times, and the 3 days, the rally has broken this structure. So we want to buy the pullback and aim for 98.80. Okay, so this is what I thought, my thought of the dollar index. Okay, so DXY will be strong. Okay, hence the euro is going down. See, euro is bearish, and because euro has already also broken this very important structure. So as long as the 1.1076 uh, is still rejecting the price going up, we are bearish on euro. Okay, so what you can do is we can wait for the pullback to sell the euro and aim for 1.0950. Okay, that is a possible trade. Okay, sell the pullback. Okay, alternatively, you can wait for the price to drop to 1.0928. Okay, wait for the price to come into this zone and start to buy. Okay, do not buy the euro now because it's really four bearish candle continuously. So can we consider bet in euro dollar? Well, are you talking about this bet? I'm guessing you are talking about this bet, right? Okay. Yeah, you can find this bet. Okay. However, the X point is not the lowest point, so I will not consider this bet. Okay. Right now, I'm going to use the Fibonacci to check. You can see here the 618 was uh, we didn't find good support from 618, so most likely the price will drop to 76 and 86. It is 1.0918. Okay, so be careful that the euro will broken this place. Okay, so my suggestion is to sell the high, sell the pullback, and buy the low from 1.09. Yeah, Nicholas, we're just talking about the dollar index. Yeah. Okay, so the euro we want to sell the high. Do not sell now because it may have some bounce, but I won't suggest to buy from here because the candlesticks looks bearish. Um, and I want to focus on this zone, the 76 and the 86 zone, to buy the euro if shows good price actions. Okay, hi, good. All right, so this is for the euro. Let's go to sterling. Okay, sterling also looks bearish, and there's triangle in the for the sterling. You can see here. So as of now, we cannot. The triangle was not broken yet. However, looks bearish, and the price may break down. Okay, so if price break down and pull back, we're gonna sell. Okay, and they're looking for the support of 1.2769 here, this place. Okay, because look left, you can see the structure was very good from this 1.2780 level. Okay, so be prepared that the sterling may goes down and pull back. We can have a sell. Alternatively, if the price directly goes up and break the triangle, you can consider to buy. So triangle is always one of our favorite patterns because triangle after the triangle consolidations, the following trend will be strong. So that is a good way to catch for our I think for the profit. Okay, where will you place your stop loss? Okay, this is a standard. Okay, basically if the price break down here, okay, and you sell the pullback, right, you just need to find where is the breaking candle. Okay, so put your stop loss above your breaking candle. That's enough. Okay, if the candle breaks like this, okay, because you have to always think about this. Okay, if the price breaks down, where is the origin? Where did the price break out? Which candle break out the triangle? And your stop loss should be above the breaking candles. Okay, similar to our structural breakout pullback trade. Understand? All right. So if the price goes up like this, okay, you need to find which candle breaks. Like you go to 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, you need to find out the specific candles that break the triangle. Okay, go to the lower time frame so that you will find more precisely of the breaking candles low. Then you can put a stop loss. Or if you want to have a wide stop loss, you just need to put below the triangle, below the other side of the triangle. Well, minimum time frame that depends on your trading time frame. It basically, if you want to trade 4-hour, take a 4-hour trade, you look 4-hour candles, and you can go to one level down, which is divided by 4. So I will suggest like if you go to if you are trading daily, okay, daily, you can use day and 4-hour. Okay, if you are holding for several hours, okay, if you're trading 4-hour, you can use 4-hour and 1-hour. And looking for the lower time of one, which is just divide by 4. Okay, that will you can find which candle breaks out. Okay, I will just for example, okay, here, look here, all right. We know that this is structure, right? Okay, so when you find this structure and you find the price was breakout, okay, you can look for the pullback to buy and just put your stop loss below this big candle. That's enough. Okay, see the pullback comes here, all right, yeah, or comes here, but your stop loss should be below this breaking out candle. You can find this candle if you go to one time frame lower. Okay, all right, so for the sterling I will suggest you guys to wait for the triangle to be broken and then go for the trade. Okay, because the upside and the downside are both very, very big. If it breaks down, it may go to this place. And if this place was broken, we go to here or here. Okay, so the downside room for the sterling is also big. However, the upside is also big. Okay, so we have to wait for the consolidation to end, and you decide which part, which direction you want to join. Okay, let's go for another pair, which is sterling yen. Look at the sterling yen. Sterling yen already comes to the bottom structure of here. Okay, so you can also check the sterling yen whether it can stay above 141 level. If the sterling yen can stay above 141, okay, then you can go for a long. Okay, because this is structural breakout and the supporting candles are from here. Okay, so 141 is okay to buy, and your stop loss should be below this ping, which is 140.70. Okay, put your stop loss here, and in the case you can get a quite nice reward and risk ratio trade. It's about at least 4 to 1 reward and risk ratio trade. which means if you risk $200, you can get back $800. All right. So this is for the sterling yen. Let's move on to the gold. Okay, the gold, we have a very nice trade for the last 2 weeks. Okay, although we are celebrating Chinese New Year, but I have keep asking you guys to buy from the gold. If you remember, how's your buy, Nicholas? Did you take the trade? Who took the trade? Raise your hand. This is a trade I tells you. I said 1548, 1553, right? And our target was exactly 1580. Can see the target was hit nicely. The 618 level was hit nicely. And yesterday I told you guys to to short, right? Sell. And now the sell also makes money. Okay, so we have a beautiful 270 pips and a beautiful 100 pips from 1585 to 1574. Here's the first target. Okay, so congratulations. And yeah, you took the short from 1581. Wow, that's good. That's good. Okay, so took some profit because this is close to the origin of this bullish candle. Okay, take some profit. Wait for the pullback to sell again. Wait for the pullback to sell again. Okay, and aim 1564. Okay, 1564 will be a good place for you to take your profit of your selling orders. Okay, so the gold, we buy the low and we sell the high, and both trade work. Okay, works nicely. And in the long run, I will consider the gold is actually one touch, second try, one try, second try cannot break new high. It may come down to 1518, okay, 1520, this level, okay. So focus on your sell, okay. If the gold can breaks down this trend line, okay, if the trend line was broken, it will come to 1520, and that's a huge place for you to take profit, right? So this is for the gold. Okay, okay, let's move on to the oil. Okay, the oil, our buy hits our target of 65. This is our long order, the December and the November trade, and then it actually hits into this supply zone, and the price makes a very bearish engulfing candle, and then it goes down and pull back, and then continue goes down. Now the oil has come to the place of the previous structure. So what you can do is you can buy oil from here from 52 and aim for 57. Okay, so this is a potential good trade of the oil as well. Okay, I will be bullish the oil if oil can stay above 52.35, because this is really very strong support. Look at it here, the price found support from here, from here, from here. Okay, and now it comes back, and this drop is too deep. Okay, too deep and too fast. So normally, if the sellers take profit from here, the price will goes up. Okay, at least to 57.36. So this is what I'm thinking. You can use this structure for you to buy the oil and aim 57. Okay. Will you consider the uptrend line for end December 2018? You mean this? You mean this? Yeah, I would consider, because this trend line was broken. It was broken here, retest and come down. Okay, already dropped 800 pips. Okay, so from the volatility, okay, you can consider this downtrend has already come to the end. Okay, because it's too far away from this. Okay, alternatively, we can use the ABCD patterns. Okay, the ABCD tells you that, yeah, the oil is going to come to the support. So find the trade to buy the oil from this level. It will be give you a good idea to take profit, right? And now you can see the price is consolidating, but still below this downtrend line here. Okay, Okay, so you can wait for the price to break the downtrend line. Okay, this is always been our favorite patterns. Okay, break the trend line. You can wait for the breakout of trend line and then come to the 618. Okay, use the 618 to buy the pullback, just the same way that we did of the Bitcoin last year. Okay, if you remember. Okay, this is always our favorite patterns. Okay, wait for the breakout of trend line, wait for the pullback and buy and kick in, goes to 57. All right. Okay, so this is what we can wait for the oil. You want to buy the S&P? Yeah, don't worry, I will come. Let's look at the S&P. Okay, the S&P comes to the supporting level from here. Okay, that is 3,240. Okay, and it is also the 618. Right, so 3,240 is strong support, definitely. Okay, so you can buy from here. I will agree with your idea to buy from here and look for a reversal to at least 3,290 and 3,300. Okay, it may goes to another 618 of the previous downtrend line here. Okay, so that is the previous downtrend. Okay, yeah, the 618 was at 3,297. All right, so this is your profit zone. Easy, right? Okay, so yeah, I know that you guys have already finished my or completed my course, so you should actually be able to find the similar patterns that I can see, I can find. Okay, yeah. So just to use the tools, use the structure, use the Fibonacci, and think about how you can, how you can make your profit by choosing the right patterns, by trade what you see. Okay, by trading what you see, and you can actually get the money. Okay, of course, every single trade you have to put your stop loss and aim for a double return. Okay, because a 2% loss, let's say a 2% loss for one trade, you have to win 4% profit. Okay, as target. That will make sense, makes your reward and risk ratio good. Okay, because when you are, if you you want to participate in this market for a long time, you have to always maintain your reward and risk ratio higher than 2 to 1, so that you can have a like 40% or 50% winning ratio. You can still win the market. All right, so S&P I will seek for a buy. All right, 2618 in one chart. Yes, yeah, you can find this 2618 good spot. There is a double bottoms, right? Yeah, you're right. See, double bottom and 618, and I totally agree with you. That is, if you buy from 3244, you already win 130 pips. Good, $13 move already captured. Congratulations. All right, let's move on to dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen similar. Dollar yen has hit into the very important support at 108.80. So I will not hesitate to buy dollar yen from here, because this is actually a two two in one trade. Okay, the first is the 618 level is here. The second one is structure. The neckline is here. Okay, and then the gap down. The gap down tells me about the bearish actually end here, because it failed to break new low. So the dollar yen, the good to buy from 108.66 level. Okay, buy from here. Okay, put your stop loss below this candle, below 108.38. So that will be a good enough trade for the dollar yen for you to capture the gain. All right. Yeah. Okay. Try to buy from 108.68 to 80 level. Buy from this zone and stop loss below 108.30, 40, and then aim 109.80. Okay. So dollar yen, you can consider to buy. Okay, let's move on to Aussie dollar. The Aussie makes a deep crash due to the China's disease, and due to the the risk of event. Okay, but the Aussie is good to buy because ABCD already completed, so go for it. Go for it. I think right now the best trade will be the Aussie dollar trade. Okay, the 76 plus the ABCD patterns. So this will give us a very good entry to enjoy the the future gain of the Aussie dollar. So buy from 0.6750 will give you a good return in the year 2020. You hear me? Okay, give me 5 if you understand the logic of this trade. And yeah, let's discuss whether you want to take the trade or not. Okay, stop loss is very easy. Just put below this pin. Okay, you're not going to risk more than 100 pips, right? Just buy from here. Stop loss below the low. Okay, once the stop loss was touched, we just leave the trade, right? Risking only $200. But if we win, we can win more than 400, 800, or even 1,000. Okay, so this is a good place for us to buy the Aussie. Is that a cipher? Yeah, it looks like a cipher because if you draw the cipher like this, okay, yeah, looks like a cipher. But however, this cipher was not is not so perfect because you know by the definition that we want to see is we want to check. Uh, okay, the C point is valid. However, the 0.618, the price, the B point, you see, the sorry, should be 0.382. You can see here the price has closed below the 618 retracement. Okay, so a little bit not so perfect, however, but it's still a cipher that you can take the trade, and the reason is same. Okay, the cipher plus the ABCD pattern in the recent two downtrend. Okay, the two leg of the downside wave will be finished from here. So go for it. Right, go for it. That is a very good support. Right. So it will be 68. That you're not creating lower low. Yeah. The six the because if you buy from here, definitely your stop loss should be put from here. Okay. You don't want to take another like 50 pips loss. Okay. If you buy from here. So if which means the first trade that we want to buy from here, okay, actually take a loss, okay, by losing about 70 pips, right? Okay, but if I want to take back the trade now, I want to buy from here and put the stops here, okay. If I win, I can easily win my loss, okay, and I can win more. So trading is never about the accuracy game. Sometimes we have to use a very small amount of money uh, to just to go for it, right? Because we have to take risk. Because we don't know that any trade or there is no such thing, okay, that one particular trade is 100% win. Okay, there's no such thing. So every time we want to buy or want to sell, you have to already know where is your stop loss, where's your target. Okay, since the first trade that is your stop loss, okay, so just take it. And then you go for the next one because we see another ABCD patterns. We go for the next one, stop loss below here. Okay. I mean, the worst situation is that you lose two trade and you lost 4%. Okay, that is the worst case. However, if you win the second trade, you can get back all your loss and even win more money. You are just confused where to plot stop loss. Affecting the position size. Yeah, just if the price didn't go for your position, go for your directions and looks very bearish and breaks important support, do not hold it. Do not hold it. Just get out. Get out first because it doesn't make sense. If the price going up, however, it will come down so deep, right? You better to cut loss at here so they can you can uh, save this money of the loss, and you can get back go back to the trade from here. Okay, and you'll be better. You will be better. Manahan took the short for Libra. Why? Where's the Libra? I didn't see a Libra. It means here. Are you talking about this? You took a short from here after you see this, correct? Okay. All right. That's good. That's clever. However, I didn't took this short trade because the whole the previous trend is quite bullish, and a Libra pattern will not appear in a low location. Okay, I will rather find a Libra pattern like this. Okay, I looked in the high location. It will actually give me more profit zone. Okay, okay. So I will find the other side of the Libra pattern, like it looks like this. So listen, there's always a two choice for you, that whether you want to, whether you want to choose a bullish pattern or choose bearish patterns, right? So I want emphasize that please take consideration into the location. Okay, if the location is really low, you better find a bullish pattern rather than a bearish pattern. However, if you do sell from here, that's good, but you should take profit now because you already win a lot of money. Okay, that's good. If you take this chart from here, from 69 to 67, that's good. Congratulations. Yeah, just remember to take profit before the price ready. All right. Okay. Let's move on to dollar Canadian. I remember the dollar Canadian. I think Nicholas find out, or some other students find out this structural breakout and pullback trade. Remember? And I said, yeah, go for it. Okay, dollar Canadian can buy from 1.3040. All right. Yeah, this is a good example of a structural breakout and pullback. Okay, that's good. So take some profit of your long positions because it has already hit into the 618. Yeah, 618 was touched, so it may come back again or and then goes up. Okay, so generally speaking, I'm bullish on dollar Canadian because it actually didn't. The price trying to break out, but now since this place was still on acting as support, so the dollar Canadian will be bullish till 1.3260 about this zone, and we need to check on this place here whether the price can break it out or not. All right. And I think the main reason is the oil. Oil has been too bearish that actually the Canadian was affected. You are bearish on dollar Canadian because the daily uptrend line. No. All right, listen. If you want to use the trend line, okay, the trend line works. Okay, however, it it will not give you a clue that where is a pullback. Okay, because the trend line was, is a is a in it's not horizontal. Okay, it's actually climbing up. Okay, so you can see here that it was broken from here or here. Okay, two broken of this trend line. However, you don't know where the pullback will be. Sometimes it will just goes up and then another wave of downside. Okay, second test cannot break new low and then goes up again. Okay, just like let me find the okay, yeah, just like this. Okay, you see this is a long time trend line. Okay, broken out, come back. Okay, you think it's going to super bearish or it will go more deep. Okay, however, it will just flip up, another wave come back, didn't break new low and then breaks new high. and then comes down. Okay, so sometimes the trend line was useful. However, you have to always check the latest structure. Okay, the latest structure is here, that the dollar Canadian has been, taking this place as support. So as long as this support is still valid, the 1.31 is still valid, do not be so bearish of dollar Canadian. Okay, if it is bearish, it has to break down this level again. Okay, show me. Okay, prove to me that you can break down. All right, so the user important structure as your bullish or bearish your view. Okay, the to make your decision on which side you want to go in. All right. Okay. What else? We have covered the major pairs. Okay, Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi also bearish, but not so bearish like Aussie. So Kiwi, you can take a sell. You can still take a sell, the pullback. Okay, because Aussie already goes down here, right? Aussie already come to here, this place. The Kiwi is still so high. So I think the Kiwi will follow the Aussie's move. So the Kiwi we can sell. Okay, sell the Kiwi to 0.64. That is a very good trade for you guys to take. Okay, sell the pullback of Kiwi, aim 64, 63.50, and then try to buy from here. Okay, just use a similar pattern that Aussie goes to help you to take a Kiwi trade. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, I published a trading view that I want you guys to buy the pullback of 8,363, if you remember. Okay, so it now works very good. Okay, breakout, pullback, you go for it. Okay, so the key, I think I will be still bullish on the Bitcoin. Okay, because the new bottom was formed. Okay, this is a good bottom. Okay, breakout, pullback, and another wave is coming, and it may comes back to the 618 level to 11,000. So there are another 2,000 move for the Bitcoin. That is for your profit. Okay. Anyone took the trade of the Bitcoin? Yeah, I know there are some people who trading cryptocurrencies. Yeah, that's good. Apple. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's move on to Apple. Okay, Apple. Yeah, just the S&P goes down, so Apple falls as well. So today is very important because the Apple, we want to see whether it can support being supported from here, but the S&P already rallied, so I think the Apple will be goes up to fill the gap first. Okay, and but the 325 is really hard to break. So I think the Apple right now can use this range to trade. Okay, buy the low, sell the high. Okay, then you can just wait whether the the new uptrend was finished here. Right now, it actually tells me the Apple didn't really change trend yet. It's still very good in a bullish trend. Right, a pullback will come, but still uptrend. But whether it can break new high, it depends on the data of the Apple company. Okay, depends on the financial, the fundamentals. Okay. Okay. Let's check for Tesla. Okay, Tesla, yeah, the same thing. Okay, it's still an uptrend. So I think this Tesla is still okay to hold for the long because you have no idea that this company can do. What can they do? They have just opened the new factories in Shanghai, right? And this creates a lot of uh, terror of the domestic China car industries because the Tesla is going to sell in a very low price of their cars. Okay, and due to the technology of Tesla, they have a better a better battery. They have more safe, the AI systems. So I think the Tesla is still okay to buy. German 30? Okay, sure. The German 30 is now hitting into this resistance zone from here. Okay, you can see this is a previous high. It didn't break new high, so I will doubt that whether the German 30 will go higher than 1365 654. And from the patterns, okay, I will choose to sell the pullback. I will choose to sell from the pullback, okay, and aim for let's say 12800, okay, which means I will only consider to buy the German 30 from here. I don't want to buy the high. I want to buy the low. I want to sell the pullback, okay? Because this bearish candle has already broken this wedge, okay? This wedge was broken, so pullback sell. That would be a good choice, okay? How do you aim for the target and where to set stop loss in case like Apple and Tesla because it's the one rocket up? Yeah, okay, for the Apple and the Tesla, you have to use different strategies, okay? Because this is stock, this is not currency, okay? Stock has some fundamental support because as long as this company is still in a good run, okay, the PE ratio, okay, maintains and the earnings will still come to the shareholders, so there are still people to invest into this company. Okay, so for the Apple, you have to set your strategy. The where is your what is your time frame for this trade? If you are investors, you should actually hold, buy and hold, right? Buy the low, buy the low, buy the low, buy and hold, because you have some faith of this company. You believe that the company will goes up. Okay, the price of the shares will also goes up. The company is going to getting more profitable. So buy and hold strategies for long-term investors. However, if you want to make this as day traders, okay, go to the 30 minutes, go to the 15 minutes, find the patterns that you want to trade. You want to buy the breakout, pullback. You want to sell the breakout and pullback. You want to buy. Okay, just go for the patterns. Okay, but I don't want you guys to really go for the trade of the shares, because if you want to trade shares, okay, first of all, the commission is high. Second of all, you have a lot of gaps, and you need to read a lot of fundamental news, fundamental data. And the easiest way is not Apple. You should, if you want to trade US stocks, you should go for S&P. S&P will be faster. Okay, you see the S&P goes it actually opens 24 hours, but the app only open for a few hours. Okay, so that's the difference. Right, but generally speaking, you still trade what you see. Use the patterns to help you to set a stop loss. Just like, this is a 662618 trade. Put your stop loss here, right? Okay, for the Apple, okay, will be the same. Okay, if you want to buy from here, let's say, okay, I want to buy from the 308. Okay, of course I go left, look. Okay, I found this gap. I found this breaking out the origin. Okay, so just think this question: where is the origin of the bullish move? Yeah, it's here. Okay, the whole uptrend wave starts from here. It starts from this candle. So just go for the specific candle that represents the origin of the whole uptrend move or downtrend move and set your stop loss below here. This will be enough. Okay. So literally speaking, you only need to take a loss of $7 of the Apple, and the target should be the opposite resistance level for your buy. Okay. Yeah. If the price goes to the gap, go take profit. Okay. Would you short S&P 261 in 4 hour? Yeah, I will. Why not? Why not? Buy low, sell high. Yeah. You can see here, this is the neckline, right? The neckline combined with the 618. Why not? 32.97. If the price come to here and reach the resistance, I just go for sell and see whether the price can go to the previous low or maybe a 618. I don't know. However, if this trade can bring me some money, I won't be hesitant to trade. Yeah. All right. Good. So I think basically I have covered all the markets, and you guys should be quite clear about what to do in next, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think today's webinar is going to end here. And do not forget to join my WeChat group, okay, if you are my student, okay. Just go to open a WeChat account, and I will send my WeChat ID into the WhatsApp group. So for those students who haven't joined the WeChat group, please do it, okay? Because China really blocks the WhatsApp, and I can foresee my time will be at least half of my time in 1 month will be in China. So I'll be lost connection from the WhatsApp. Okay, as long yeah, mm, and unless I can access the VPN. Okay, but sometimes the VPN also not work, so that's not very good. However, so that's why I'm using the WeChat more. Okay, so please join my WeChat group if you're my students. All right. So last but not least, my costs are still okay for registration. So if you are new traders, okay, remember to go to harmonicasia.com to uh, get my course, okay, and join my students group. And I will be your mentor of the trading to help you to establish your trading system and give you a weekly update uh, and to enhance your trading style, enhance your trading efficiency. All right. So my course will be still available. Just go to sign up the course. All right, and join my students group. All right. So this is my first webinar after Chinese New Year, and I wish all of you guys a good fortune, happy trade, happy trading, plan your trade and trade your plan. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye. Yeah, the supply demand cost will be most likely in June. In June, yeah, Nicholas. Yeah, it will be only once in Singapore because I have to rent out the avenue to book the avenue first. All right. Yeah. Well, welcome you guys. Okay. So just to remember what I teach, what I told to you guys. Okay. Use the structure, use the harmonic patterns, use the ABCD, use the whatever the tools to find good quality trade. All right. So see you next time. Bye bye.